Alright, so this is probably not even enough info to be a video. It's more of a public service announcement, if you will. Just for anyone out there that happens to have the newer Tacoma. This is one issue I've had with filling up at the gas station. Not a huge issue, slight inconvenience, but your cap seems to have nowhere to go while you're filling. I've generally tried to like hold it right there, and that's usually what I do. It works. It's, you know, something to do while your truck fills up anyways. But Amazon told me that I need a little bracket, and I gotta say it looks pretty cool as far as it's simple and looks like it's be useful. So probably don't even need to do any editing on this video. It should be like a minute long. You just take this one screw off, so you can do this one-handed. Then you put the bracket on. Yep, okay. Maybe you do need two hands. Clips in there. Now you put your one screw back in. Now you have this handy little thing to set your gas cap in. So that holds it there while you fill up. You just watched me do it. I've never done this before. Very simple. Put the cap back on, and let's see. Still shuts just fine. No issues. So yeah, I'll include a link to the one I bought on Amazon, or the part number in the description. I'm sure there's a bunch of companies that make the same one on Amazon or other places, but cool little inexpensive quick addition.